Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. I have something really cool here today from Tusk. So these are all new strike foot pegs. They are billet aluminum. These are some awesome looking foot pegs. These are made from a 7075 billet aluminum. They are anodized black. You can also get these in silver. So they have some cool features about them. One of them was mentioned that it has a 7-degree tilt up, which means 7 degrees this way and not twist, but up. And that makes it to where whenever you're standing on the bike, you want to squeeze the tank. It kind of with your feet tilted like that, you're actually going to squeeze the tank a lot easier. It's not a lot, but I think it'll make a big difference on that. So another cool thing is these cleats. These are some awesome looking cleats. They ought to really grip, and they offer these in 2 different styles. I'll post a picture up here if I can find one of the other style. But you can just tell by the way this is made out of the billet aluminum. Super strong. You can just tell by the shape of them. Very nice looking. And these pegs are huge. And these cleats should last a long time. And the cool part about them is they are replaceable. You can see they're just hex. You can take those right out and replace them if you need to. But I think they're going to last a long time. We're going to go ahead and stick them here on the Honda CRF300L and see how they do. Now these ones I've had on here are the Zetas, and I've had them on here for years, ever since I've actually owned the bike. But even though these are a lot larger platform than the stock pegs, they're a lot better than the stock, I always felt that it's still not quite big enough of a platform for my feet, especially with my boots. They got lots of grip and everything. They are made out of aluminum, but they just don't seem near big enough. Well, if you check out the difference between these Tusk and these, it is absolutely massive, the difference. So they're not only wider by quite a bit, they're actually a lot longer, so they actually stick out here farther, which is a good thing because these pegs are not as wide as my foot, so my foot hangs over the outside. Well, these are that much wider. I think they're going to be so much better. So I'll try to show you a straight down shot here. This is probably right there is lined up, and you can see how much further they come out here, how much wider they are. These are going to be awesome pegs. So I'm going to go ahead and stick these on. Super easy to stick on, not much to it at all. So let's just take these pins out, put these on. So it's actually a good thing that I did this, because my pin that I had in here before, the little cotter key, was actually wore off. The washer was basically just sitting there. So we got to get this pulled out like that. You can see not much left of it. So it's a good thing that I got these pegs in to find that out. And pull these out. You can see how the spring goes. There's actually a hole right there this part goes into. So we need to just set them on the Tusk pegs the same way. So put them up here and line up that peg in that hole. Scoot them forward. So I can stick this in. If you tilt them up here, it makes it a lot easier to get the springs in if you tilt them up. You gotta hold that spring down so it's lined up. Just like that. And you can actually see that 7-degree tilt up. Very pronounced. You can really see it. More than I figured. So we're going to try that out today. Okay, place that pin. Okay, put my washer on. Put a new pin in here. And bend the ears over. Okay, that one's installed. Same thing on this side, only difference is I do have a pin on this one. It's a good thing, right? Okay, we got that one out. Put on this big old honking Tusk. I think I'm really gonna like these pegs. Line up my hole back here. And now my washer and a new pin. Install them is just that easy. Okay guys, so that is the Tusk Strike billet foot pegs from Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Really awesome. I will try these out today, get back to you in a later video. But for now, I will post a link in the description below where you can check them out. Smash that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I put out a new video, and we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.